Okay, simulan na natin ngayon mag-login sa ating account. By the way guys, sa mga naglalaro ng Genshin dyan, comment lang sa inyo kung anong mga AR nyo na or adventure rank. Bali nagsimula yata ako, kung di ako nagkakamali, 4.4 yung release ni Gaming. Actually matagal ko nang gustong laruin to eh, kaya lang ngayon lang nagkaroon ng chance na magkaroon ng makapaglaro ng game na to. Dati kasi alam niyo naman kung anong sikat na mobile game sa Pinas, walang iba kundi ML. Halos lahat naglalaro. Gawin muna natin ang ating dailies. Daily commission, nakaset nga pala to sa Inazuma. Okay, complete time trial challenge. Bali guys, kung napapansin nyo kanina pag login ko, may 90 ako na natanggap. Welkin yun, nakasubscribe ako. Tapos lakas talaga ni Wanderer. Okay, next, full speed ahead. Another time trial challenge na naman. Kalang meron tayo, ay kala ko ano, Sakura. Tunaw eh. Oops. Oops. Kung di nyo napapansin, dadagdagan siya ng seconds na kailangan nyo kasi talagang talunin yung slime eh. Okay, saan na tayo? Ito na pala. Okay, next, defeat the Mirror Maiden. Ito medyo mahirap-hirap to. Kunat na ito eh. Ano siya oh. Pero walang max makunat dyan. Nako, nag-teleport pa. Kita yung damage oh. Oops. Walang kukunat kay Wanderer. Okay, last daily for today. Okay. Ay, ba't natin kinukuha? Hindi ko pa. Nagmamadali tayo pumunta kay Catherine eh. Nagtataka ako, hindi pa dilaw yung claim daily. Wait, you know how to make Liyue cuisine? That's great. Then please help me. Please make me some authentic Liyue dishes. Let me think. What I'd really like to eat right now is... I want to eat fish. I miss the fish my mom made when I was a kid. She'd wash the fish, make slices on both sides, stuff it with spices and aged wine and marinate slightly. Fry it in a pan until golden brown. Then she'd add hot water and sauce to simmer before finally seasoning over high heat, thickening the sauce, plating, and serving. That's the real deal. My younger brother would jump and cheer, "It's ready! The food's ready!" My mom is really good at cooking fish. But when can I go back to eat it? So which dish should we prepare that is cooked with fish? How about we choose one for her? Let's see. Paima's favorite fish dishes lately are spicy black back perch stew, sweet and sour squirrel fish, and the almighty Mondstadt grilled fish. Aren't these all your favorite food? Just trust in Paimon's taste. Hurry and choose one. Um, Squirrel fish kaya. Parang palagi ko Liyue cuisine to. Let's go with this. It's quickly made squirrel fish for Miss Tangan. Kasi understood naman Mondstadt from the word Mondstadt. So, Mondstadt cuisine yun. Meron ba akong fish? Grilled fish. Back so soon, you're not a secret chef, are you? Mine can point. Please let me try it. Please enjoy. Okay, delicious squirrel fish. Hard to prepare fish dish. The fish is expertly handled to exhibit an elegant shape. However, the exquisitely balanced sweet and sour taste is really where the dish truly comes alive. The culinary skills involved in preparing this dish can impress even the greatest chefs of Liyue. Okay. Okay. This is it. This is the taste of home I've been dreaming of. I'm so touched. Oh, na-touched si Tangwan. Thank you so much. I feel energized with all this good food. These are for you. I wish you a smooth journey ahead. Thank you, Tangwan. Okay, let's go. Claim our daily 20 Primo Gems completed reward. Claim. There we go. And let's also dispatch them another day. Dispatch again. There we go. Let's claim all our daily missions. Okay, we need 150 to consume. How much we got here? Let me see. 120. Okay, not enough, but we can use those, and we just have to wait for the remaining around 28 or something. Okay, when are we gonna go? Ang alam ko kasi may binubuo akong character ngayon, si Xiangling. 90 na pala siya. Yung weapon niya is ito, the catch. So ano bang ascension materials ito? So today is Friday, hindi natin siya pwede. Bukas pa. So aside from Xiangling, kailangan ko rin to si Xingqiu. Okay, let's go with ascending this character. There we go. And I think this is not enough. See, 4 levels. Okay, let's where's Xingqiu again? In regards to talents, okay, more than enough naman siguro tong stained mask. 890, wow. Teachings of Gold. I think it's more than enough as well. Let's focus on leveling him first. Ang kailangan natin. Okay, level up. Nothing else. So, isa lang ang paraan dyan para makakuha ng level up. Sumero tayo kasi nangangailangan ako ng maraming fungi ascension materials para kay Wanderer na pinangalanan kong Beldora sa mga peoples dyan, sa mga peeps dyan na hindi nakakilala kay Beldora. Actually, isa sa mga character names na kinuha ko lang syempre. Hindi ko alam kung familiar sa inyong Slime na anime. Actually, one of my liked animes kasi yun. Yung gold ley line or the blue ley line dito. Ayun, diyan ka palang tatago. Navigate. Okay, saan tayo punta? Dito siya sa taas. Medyo lagi nga lang talaga guys yung cellphone ko, no? Pagpasensyahan nyo na ganyan talaga yan. Wala na tayong magagawa. At ang bali-balita pa nga daw is pagdating sa version 5.0, magtataas na naman tayong requirements mo. Kailangan na nating bumili ng cellphone. Okay, touch. Ayan na nga yung mga aray. Masugod ka. Galit siya no? Kailangan ko nitong marami na ito Okay, alam ko meron din akong kailangan dito complete leyland, di ba 10 pa so sakto yan. Okay, next I think we need to go here. Ayun siya, nasa gitna. Pagpasensyahan nyo na guys, lagi talaga siya. Ay nako, bakit yan? Saan na yun? Ano mo, slime pa yung nakatapat. minion sa Anemo basic attack ni Wanderer. So buti lang may official tayo. Actually hindi naman talaga si official belong dito eh. Nag-explore kasi ako sa Inazuma. Kailangan ko ng Electro, so napasama siya sa team na to. Team talaga siya ni sub DPS ko siya ni sub DPS ko siya ni Tighnari. Okay, another one. Okay, let's go with this Wind Current. It's there. Fit all opponents, source opponent. Lakas. Halimaw ka Wanderer. Pero hindi pa nga siya full build eh. At may mga mali pa dito na artifacts eh. Pero yan talaga binibuild ko ngayon. So, saan tayo? Dito. Namatay na sila. Tira lang ako ng tira ng basic attack eh. Patay na pala sila. Ganun kalakas si Wanderer, kaya sa mga nagpaplano dyan na i-pull si Wanderer, huwag kayong magdalawang isip. Worth it yung pull nyo. So to sa malalakas. Actually yung karamihan nga ng main DPS ko ngayon Anemo eh. Unang DPS ko talaga si Xiao nung nag start ako maglaro nito. 4.4 version. Then after nun, nag-pull ulit ako. Nakalimutan ko kung sino yata yung pinupull ko, pero hindi ko siya na-pull. Ang na-pull ko si Tighnari. Talo ako ng 50-50. Then for some reason natalo na naman ako ng hindi, after pala nun pinull ko na to si Wanderer. Then nagpull ulit ako. Nakalimutan ko sino yung pinull ko nun, ang napull ko si Dia, tapos Sketching. Bali ang 5 star ko is marami-rami na rin. Yung kalaban yun lang yun. Ang klase yun. Joke lang yata ito eh. Malayo na yun. Malayo na nga. I think last pull na yata to guys. I mean, hindi pala last pull, last farm. Kasi 20 na lang yata yung ano natin, 24. Yun. Kailangan ko ng maraming ganito. Tatalin kasi ito. Okay. So, i-claim pala natin to. Ito muna ang ating episode 1 guys. Thank you so much sa inyo. Leave na lang ng comment. Sa mga gustong mag-pod dyan, i-leave nyo UID nyo para mag-party tayo. Bye bye. Salamat.